Windows Defender not opening on Windows 11. How to fix Windows Defender not opening. This 1-minute video will help you do so without installing anything. You need to start by opening PowerShell. So type PowerShell. You start typing. And you have to open it, but execute it as administrator. So select Windows PowerShell, and then select Run as administrator. In the description of this video, you will find the code you need, so you can simply copy and paste the command that you can find there. On screen you have the line of code that you need to add. Just grab it from the description of this video to avoid errors, and paste it in the PowerShell window. Remember, it's important that you run PowerShell as administrator. Once you have added the line, simply press the Enter key. And then the command is executed. You will see what you are seeing on screen on white letters against blue background. Now type Exit to exit this window. Now at the bottom of Windows screen, click the search icon and write Windows Security. And press Enter. And then you'll see it under the Security section. If you click on Protection Against Viruses and Threats, there. Now you will see the Windows Defender. 1 minute without installing anything.